In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use estimates in QuickBooks Online. Estimates are a fantastic way to provide your customers with a detailed breakdown of services or products, along with the associated costs, before finalizing any transaction. Whether you're running a small business or managing a larger operation, QuickBooks Online makes it simple to create, customize, and send professional estimates directly to your clients. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to get started with an account. Now, let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the Sales section. To do that, look over to the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online interface and click on the option labeled Sales. Once you're there, you'll find several tabs at the top of the screen. Select the one that says Estimates. This is where you can manage all of your estimates and create new ones. Next, to create a new estimate, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the Create Estimate button. This will open up the estimate form where you can begin customizing the details. The first thing you'll need to do is select the customer for whom the estimate is intended. If the customer is already in your QuickBooks system, simply choose their name from the drop-down menu. If it's a new customer, you can add their details right here. Once you've selected or added the customer, double-check their information, including their billing address, and make any necessary updates. Now, it's time to set the estimate date and expiration date. The estimate date is the day you're creating the document, and the expiration date indicates how long the estimate will remain valid. These dates are important for both you and your customer, so make sure they're accurate. After that, move down to the section labeled Products and Services here. You'll enter all of the items or services you're including in the estimate. Use the drop-down menus to select products or services already saved in your QuickBooks account, or manually add new ones if needed. For each item, ensure the descriptions, quantities, and prices are correct. Once you've added all the items, double-check the Totals section. This is where you can apply any discounts if applicable and select the appropriate tax rates for the products or services you're offering. QuickBooks will calculate the totals automatically based on the figures you input. If this transaction requires a deposit, you can choose a deposit request option at this stage. This is particularly useful for larger projects or orders, as it allows you to request partial payment upfront. Before finalizing, scroll to the bottom of the form where you'll find two additional fields, Notes to Customers and Private Memos. Use the Notes to Customers field to add any relevant details or instructions your customer should know about the estimate. The Private Memos section is for internal notes that only you and your team can see. Once everything is filled out, it's time to review your estimate. Click on the Review and Send option to look over all the details one last time. If everything looks good, you can choose to send the estimate directly to your customer via email. Alternatively, if you're not ready to send it yet, you can simply save the estimate for later. And that's it. You've successfully created and managed an estimate in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.